come here, Lise. Come here. Come here, come here. You're going to be on TV. Come here. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Yeah, this is Lise, everybody. Now, I want you to say a few words for Daddy, okay? Can you say Mommy?
No.
You can say it. Say Mommy.
Mommy?
Good, Lise. Can you say Daddy?
No.
You can say Daddy. Say it.
Daddy?
Very good. Can you say golf?
Golf.
Can you say golf?
Golf.
Very good, Lise. Can you say elf?
Out.
Very good. Excellent, Lise. Can you say hot water?
Hot water.
Very good. Oh, you know what I want you to say? Vinny.
Penny.
Very good. Now I want you to say Dan.
Dan.
Very good. Danny? You say Dan, right?
And Danny.
Very good.
Danny.
That's your big brother. And how about Dolly? Can you say Dolly?
Doggy.
Very good, Lise. And today is what?
Daddy.
Yeah, I'm Daddy. Today is August 2nd, 1987. And
Oh.
yeah, in 24 days. You know why, Lise? You'll be 2 years old in 24 days. Did you know that?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Will you give me a kiss?
No.
Please?
No.
You won't give me a kiss, huh? Because she's a little fart and I love her. She's a, yeah? Hey, Lise. Where you going? Huh? Turn around. Look at the camera. You gotta give the camera a great big smile. Say, hi, camera. Say, hi, camera. You say, hi, TV. Hi, TV. Hi. Get your mouth out of your face. What are you doing? I'm gonna kick your dashing up. Yeah, at least he's not even 2 years old, huh? What do you want to do now, Lise?
No.
What would you like to do? You want to play? You want to take a walk?
Yeah.
I want to take a walk. Come on, let's go. Okay, say bye. Say bye. Come here.
No more.
Come here. No more. Come here. Come here.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
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 See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
See you tomorrow.